So I'm here at Goyt Reservoir, just about to run up Shining Tor, which is my usual route. Gonna test out my legs after lockdown and also test out this new GoPro as well. So let's see what footage it can get. Okay, so we're at the start of the climb now. This is the toughest bit I always find, and I always need to have a rest up at the top fence there. It gets a bit easier after that, so let's give this first climb a go. Now that we're at the fence, that hill was tough, but we're rewarded by beautiful views down into the valley and Goyt Reservoir there as well. It's a fantastic spot to be. So just a little bit more of the hill to do now, but a slightly shallower grade, which is great news. So here we are, right at the top of Shining Tor. Fantastic views. So we're now at Windgather Rocks. We've done most of the climb. We're heading down now through the forest down to Goyt Reservoir.